Here's a 2018 Audi Q3. Style and substance are the key components of this Q3, so no matter where you run off to, you'll have the perfect vehicle. Features include intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, external memory control, Bluetooth, dual zone climate control, and Audi Parking System Plus Park Assist. Kelley Blue Book finds, in addition to the image boost an Audi immediately grants, you'll be treated to a refined ride quality, sophisticated design, and premium amenities. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.